ddangos i chi sut I greu bwgan brain. Today, I'm going to show you how you can make a scarecrow. Dyma yw'r pethau dwi wedi defnyddio I greu bwgan brain. Polion I greu croes I ddalach bwgan brain, gallwch hefyd defnyddio canghennau neu goes brwsh os nad oes gennych chi bolion fel dwi'n defnyddio. Rhaff neu gordyn I clymu'r polion, dillad ar gyfer eich bwgan brain, defnydd I greu pen. Allwch hefyd defnyddio canfas gwely neu ddillad ar gyfer hyn. Eitemau ar gyfer creu wyneb, dwi'n defnyddio botymau mawr ar gyfer y llygaid ac wedi creu ceg allan o ddefnydd sbar. Ac yn olaf, het I roi ar ben y bwgan brain. Here's the things I have used to make my scarecrow. Wooden poles to hold your scarecrow in place. You can also use tree branches or brush handles if you don't have wooden poles. Rope or string to tie the poles together. Clothes for your scarecrow. Fabric to make a head. You can also use bed sheets or old clothes. Items to make a face. I'll be using large buttons for the eyes and a mouth made out of fabric. And lastly, a hat for your scarecrow. Y cam gyntaf dwi am wneud yw'r groes fydd yn dala'r bwgan brain I fyny. The first thing I will be doing is creating the cross to hold my scarecrow. Dwi'n dechrau trwy greu sharp croes gyda'r pren. I'm starting by creating a shape of a cross with the wood. Dwi'n dechrau trwy wneud cwlwm gyda un pen o'r cordyn. I'm going to start by tying a knot on one end of the rope. I'm using a clove hitch knot. Yna, dwi'n mynd I glymu'r prenau gyda'i gilydd yn dyn. Then I'm going to tie the wood together tightly. Yna ei osod yn y ddaear. Then place in the ground. Nesaf, dwi am wisgo'r bwgan brain. Next, I'm going to dress my scarecrow. Mae'n haws defnyddio crys sydd yn agor y holl ffordd fel eich bod chi'n medru rhoi ar y groes heb ddim ffwdan. It's easier to use a shirt that opens all the way down to make it easier to put on the cross. Dwi wedi penderfynu defnyddio dungarees gan ei bod yn haws I roed arno. I've decided to use a pair of dungarees as it's easier to put on. Nesaf, dwi'n mynd I greu'r pen. Moving on to the head. I ddechrau, dwi'n mynd I rolio defnydd lan mewn sharp pail a'i roi o amgylch y polyn. I'm going to start through rolling fabric into a ball and placing it on the pole. Yna, dwi'n mynd I gymryd darn o ddefnydd arall a'i roi o amgylch y bêl o ddefnydd I greu sharp pen. Then, I'm going to use another piece of fabric to put around the ball of fabric to create the head. Efallai bydd bach o waith gwasgu ac aildrefnu'r bêl o ddefnydd mwyn cael y siap yn iawn. Os nad oes gennych ddefnydd, allwch ddefnyddio hen ddillad neu ganfas gwely. There may be a lot of readjusting the fabric to get it to the right shape. If you don't have fabric, you can use old clothes or bed sheets. Yna, dwi am roi gwyneb i'r bwgan brain. Then, I'm going to give my scarecrow a face. Gwallt a het, hair and a hat. A dyna ni, bwgan brain. Allwch addurno eich bwgan brain drwy ddefnyddio beth bynnag sydd gennych yn y tŷ. And there we go, a scarecrow. You can decorate your scarecrow with whatever you have around the house. Diolch am wylio. Thanks for watching.